Hi, I'm Manisha and I am in relationship with Srikara Hospital and Dr. Akhila for the past 3 months. I underwent ankle surgery because I met with the accident. Believe me, Dr. Akhila madam was so kind and so humble. She explained the whole process of what the surgery will be and how what is the issue with my ankle and how much time it will take for the recovery. And she made sure that as a patient I understand everything in depth before I make any decision to go on with the surgery. And both the pre and the post operative period was so smooth, and I'm so glad that I met Akhila madam and now I'm back to normal in 2 months.